Big gains across the board in the stock indexes trading the long side today. Tick pullback, biggest trade, plus 1950 on the trade. Getting in at a nice point. We talked about this earlier. Gap up, market rallies, and then pulls back. And so great entry today, great entry on Friday, plus 1940 on the day. Tick pullback, E-mini S&P. E-mini S&P has caught up a little bit, plus 1550 on the day. Nice gains there. Tick count trend, plus 770 on the day. Had one trade that was hit its profit target, then it came back, pulled back, and is in its second trade on the day. So not a lot of give back today. AT 2019 plus 1300 on the day. AT 2020 minus 725 on the day. And those are the trades in this workspace. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 winners and 1 loser. You also have 60-minute breakout. We're not trading that in the portfolios right now, but it's also profitable. So for the strategies in the portfolio in this workspace, you have 4 winners, 1 loser, and then all strategy access 1. Cobra 3s are in on the trade. E-mini NASDAQ plus 350. We have about 26 minutes until this one closes. So this looks like the type of market that pulled back and will just continue to rally into the close. This market really, I mean, it's just so close to these all-time highs now at this point. 37.32, you have less than 400 points, and we're up 250 today. So it's just a chip shot away from all-time highs. Would not be surprised at all to see a massive move in the next day or two and take out all-time highs, and that is the point of the Fed stimulus. Plus 575 on Cobra 3 E-mini S&P, adaptive moving average plus 850 on the day. Just one trade, got in plus 850 so far. All this could roll over at the end of the day. We only have 25 minutes left, but it just feels like the type of day that's going to continue to rally. So it started last night with Night Trader capturing this win, plus 675, and 60-minute breakout capturing this win on the E-mini S&P, plus 975. 3 of the last 4 trades are winners. It's just a runaway market, and you have to have breakout strategies. Stock index swing, E-mini NASDAQ, plus 475. Just winners across the board in all these strategies, except for, well, in this workspace, they're all winners. And in all strategy access 2, we only had 1 loser. Stop was a little too tight here. So all strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4, big day in the euro, plus 1131. Gold flash down 825 on the day, and gold had a tough day. A lot of losses in gold. Gold flash minus 825, minus 1050 on Asia Gold 4 short. SR counter trend silver, SR counter trend 2 silver plus 475, SR counter trend 2 gold plus 475, and then all strategy access 4 Cobra crude was up on the day. Market ran back down here and hit those stops and then bounced. Minus 725, minus 725. Crude oil continues to be challenging and very volatile. SR counter trend 3 gold A and B, minus 825, minus 825, and minus 625 on Cobra gold. So the tough day in gold lost again over here on SR counter trend 2 V2M, 1M, and 5M, minus 825, minus 825. And the highlight of the day was silver, really. Winners across the board, plus 475, plus 475, plus 475 in silver. No other trades in this workspace, but silver also was profitable on SR counter trend 2. SR counter trend 4 did not trade. So silver did well, but gold did bad today. Crude had a tough day overall on Cobra crude. And so the highlights of the day are the stock indexes really doing well, staying long in the market, and silver, which was the highlight of the day, and then gold and crude oil are the markets that have struggled on the day. So that's the update here with about 22 minutes left to go for trades on the day. Let's look at the 25K portfolio, 25-50K portfolio. Now, TradeStation's lowering the margins too, so that's something to take a look at. So Cobra crude minus 725, plus 105 on gap continuation. It already closed out on the early session. And minus 825 on SR counter trend 3 gold A. Night Trader plus 675, and plus 400 on E-mini NASDAQ. So the stock index strategies did well. Cumulative gains of about 1,200 with cumulative losses on gold and crude oil of about 1,550. So down a little bit today on the 2550K portfolio. We'll see if the market will rally into the close and maybe catch up those losses on gold and crude oil. That's the 25K portfolio, and that is the update for today with 21 minutes left in the session.